Hello everyone, welcome to Vignan Junior College Shankarapuram Kadapa. In this video, I am going to discuss about the correction of sentences which is in the subject of English in intermediate first year. In the previous video, we discussed 20 sentences. Let's continue with the remaining sentences. See the first sentence. His name is in middle of the list. His name is in middle of the list. Here they are telling specifically in which place his name is located. So we have to use the article the. So the correct answer is his name is in the middle of the list. His name is in the middle of the list is the right answer. Next one. He is independent from his parents. He is independent from his parents is wrong. After independent, we have to use the preposition of. So the correct answer is he is independent of his parents. He is independent of his parents is the right answer. Next one. She has been absent since 3 days. She has been absent since 3 days is wrong. See, since will be used before point of time. Before period of time, we have to use for. Here, 3 days is the period of time, not point of time. So the correct answer is she has been absent for 3 days. She has been absent for 3 days is the right answer. Next one. This chair is quite cheap at 150 rupees. This chair is quite cheap at 150 rupees is wrong. For 150 rupees, we have to use for. So the correct answer is this chair is quite cheap for 150 rupees. This chair is quite cheap for 150 rupees is the right answer. Next one. Gautam gave me a chair to sit. We have to add the preposition on after sit. So the correct answer is Gautam gave me a chair to sit on. The correct answer is Gautam gave me a chair to sit on.
Vignan Degree College, Shankarapuram, Kadapa. Courses offered by the college are BCom Computers, BSc MScs means Maths, Stats and Computers, BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration. Classes by 12 most popular lecturers, and you can also listen 10 days free demo classes.
Next one. We do not sell things for credit. We do not sell things for credit is wrong. The correct answer is on credit. We do not sell things on credit is the right answer. We do not sell things on credit. Next one. He went to work despite of his illness. After despite, it is not necessary to use the preposition of. So the correct answer is he went to work despite his illness. The correct answer is he went to work despite his illness is the right answer. Next one. You should tell to me exactly what happened here. You should tell to me exactly what happened here. Tell itself means say to. Tell is equal to say to. So it is not necessary again to use the preposition to. So the correct answer is you should tell me exactly what happened here. You should tell me exactly what happened here is the right answer. Next one. Giridhar agreed to go to Delhi and stay there for 2 months. Here we won't use to go to. So the correct answer is Giridhar agreed on going to Delhi and stay there for 2 months. The correct answer is Giridhar agreed on going to Delhi and stay there for 2 months. Next one. This is comfortable house to live. This is comfortable house to live. So we have to add the preposition in. This is comfortable house to live in. This is comfortable house to live in is the correct answer.
If you like our videos, please subscribe to our Vignan Junior College YouTube channel.
Next one. We were not allowed to enter into the house. We were not allowed to enter into the house. Enter itself means go into. So it is not necessary to use again into. The correct answer is we were not allowed to enter the house. It is not necessary to use into. Enter itself means go into. So the correct answer is we were not allowed to enter the house. We were not allowed to enter the house. Next one. See you on next Friday. It is not necessary to use the preposition on. See you next Friday. We won't use the preposition on here. So the correct answer is see you next Friday. Next one. Sanjana is going to home. Sanjana is going to home. In this sentence also we won't use the preposition to before the home. So the correct answer is Sanjana is going home. Sanjana is going home is the right answer. Next one. Don't ask me money. Don't ask me money is wrong. We have to use for. Don't ask me for money is the right answer. Don't ask me for money is the right answer. Next one. I have decided to quit my job a week ago. Here that means past week actions we have to express in simple past tense. Here they have used past perfect. So we have to express this sentence in simple past. So the correct answer is I decided to quit my job a week ago. I decided to quit my job a week ago. We have to express the past week actions in simple past tense only. The correct answer is I decided to quit my job a week ago.
Vignan Degree College, Shankarapuram, Kadapa. Courses offered by the college are BCom Computers, BSc MScs means Maths, Stats and Computers, BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration. Classes by 12 most popular lecturers, and you can also listen 10 days free demo classes.
Next one. The earth is moving round the sun. This is a universal truth. Universal truths always express in simple present tense only. So the correct answer is the earth moves round the sun. The earth moves round the sun is the right answer. Next one. Karthik go for a walk every day. Karthik go for a walk every day. Here the Karthik subject is singular. So the verb must also be singular. So the correct answer is Karthik goes for a walk every day. Karthik goes for a walk every day. This is a daily action, routine action. So we have to express this sentence in simple present only. The correct answer is Karthik goes for a walk every day. Next one. Look, somebody knock at the door. Look, that means we have to express this sentence in present continuous. So the correct answer is look, somebody is knocking at the door. The correct answer is look, somebody is knocking at the door. We have to express this sentence in present continuous. Next one. I have seen that man yesterday. This is the past action. We have to express the past weak actions in simple past only. Here they have expressed that sentence in past perfect. We have to express this in simple past. So the correct answer is I saw that man yesterday. I saw that man yesterday is the right answer. Next one. I am hearing a cry. This is wrong. I am hearing a cry is wrong. We have to rectify the sentence. The correct answer is I hear a cry. I hear a cry is the right answer. Thanks for watching.